Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Today's video will be unveiling our long-awaited red major. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in seeing cool behind the scenes like how we chose a certain colorway or how we landed our last collab, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, enough talking. Let's get into breaking down the watch. Before we actually break down the details of the major, let's examine the box that it does come in. So right away you see this white protective sleeve that is covering the box. And on that sleeve you will have the part number, the description of it. So this is the MJ111LB with the black case and red leather. So removing this sleeve, guys, you will get exposed to the box. You'll notice that the box is completely different. We went for a smaller version of the box, but still same great quality and the structure of the box. You see this M embossed and this big MSTR as well. That feels so good. The aesthetic of the box is very pleasing as well too. And with that is the pull-out sleeve. So once you pull this out, you will get exposed to the inside of the box that has the foam padding on it, protecting the watch. This foam padding, once you remove this, it exposes the watch. But before we get into that, let's see so this card right here is the instruction card for your major. So this is going to show you how to set your major. So once you turn this around, it gets into how you set the time and the date on it. After removing the foam padding, you'll see that the watch is protected by this really thick layer of foam that's molded to the shape of the watch. So in transit, this thing is keeping it safe and secure. It also has this nylon strap. So the way to remove this watch is you just simply pinch on this nylon strap and then you just remove it just like that, and there it is. And here it is, guys, the long-awaited red and black major. So me personally, I couldn't be more excited to have a red and black major in the collection, obviously because red is my favorite colorway, but I believe it's a true standout piece to add to your collection. One of the key features that truly stands out is the red ring around the faceplate, and inside that faceplate you have a multi-layer. Deepest layer is real carbon fiber, and you see the MSTR in red with the M logo, and then you have red hits on the timer, date, and day. So the red ring, the red MSTR, and then the red hits on the timer, date. The way this thing ties together, guys, on your wrist, this is going to look absolutely amazing. It will command all the attention in the room. Turning the watch over, you're going to get another pleasant surprise, and that is the Meister engraved on the side of the case, guys. Now this is all about attention to detail with us and our craftsmanship. So having the Meister engraved on the side is such a pleasant surprise. It's a small detail, but it's very eye-catching. Turning that over, you're going to find the same detail on the crown. You will see the M engraved in the crown, guys, and that, again, it's a small detail, but it's the attention to detail, it's the craftsmanship that we do bring to the table. Another feature that truly stands out is our signature 8 hexagon bolts that does come on the case, and this just helps to create a beautiful strong structure for the watch. The case is made of NASA grade 316 stainless steel. The movement for the major is a Miyota 6P29 multifunction movement. So this major does come with a red genuine leather strap. The great thing about these watches, our majors, as well as some of our ambassadors and ambassador MK3s, is you can change the band, guys. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. You see this little pin right here? All you have to do is push this down. This releases the band, guys, and just like that, your band comes off. You can now interchange this band to maybe a black one or any other wide varieties that we have on the site, guys. But either way, changing this band not only changes the identity of the watch, but it helps you to kind of bring out your creativity. Okay, so turning the watch over, guys, the first thing you're going to see is the major engraved, as well as Meister International since 2009. It is water resistant, guys, to up to 50 meters, and all watches are numbered and limited into our collection. So that wraps up the breakdown of the red major. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, please smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down below. We do check them daily, guys. Tell us what your favorite part of the video was. Was it the unveiling of the red major, guys, or was it all the details that brought it together? Either way, let us know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for some really cool shots of this watch on wrist and some cool lifestyles. As always, guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. We truly appreciate it. Have a great day.